Hello folks, here's my review of Victory over Self-Sabotage, PLR. Now I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income to over $10,000 a month. And this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So I would suggest, if you are interested, click that first link in the description below. And now let's get back to my review. You can grab a Victory over Self-Sabotage PLR in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you my exclusive bonuses for this product. So when you purchase the Victory over Self-Sabotage PLR through this link, you will receive 3 special free bonuses that complement your purchase. Now, these bonuses are designed to enhance your understanding of self-help strategies and provide additional value to your clients. So don't miss out on these exclusive offers. Bonus number 1, Mindset Mastery Guide. In this guide, you'll explore the principles of mindset mastery, share practical strategies, and provide actionable steps to help you cultivate a winning mindset. Bonus number 2 is a reverse engineering success, several case studies. And in this report, we're diving into the fascinating world of reverse engineering through real-life case studies. By dissecting the paths of extraordinary achievers, we can uncover the strategies, the habits, and mindsets that propel them to greatness. And bonus number 3 is the ultimate resources list for self-help success. This guide is packed with valuable resources that will help you on your journey to greatness. Whether you're looking for books, podcasts, courses, or tools, we've got you covered. Now, the bonus are approximately 1,000 words each, so that's a total of 3,000 words. And they come in both doc and PDF files. Now, the vendors behind Victory over Self-Sabotage PLR, there's Sean and Kelly. They are well-respected figures in the self-help industry. They have proven track record of delivering high-quality products that resonate with audiences worldwide. Their commitment to providing valuable content ensures that you will get trustworthy and credible resource to help you succeed. And I have purchased many products from Sean and Kelly, and so I know that they work. In a nutshell, the Victory over Self-Sabotage PLR is a game changer in the self-help niche. This comprehensive package is designed to empower you and your clients by providing high-quality content that addresses the critical issues of self-sabotage. Now, with this PLR, you can easily create a thriving online business without the hassle of product creation. So why should you buy Victory over Self-Sabotage? Why should you buy that program? The self-help industry is booming with a staggering 20 billion market size and growing annually. So by investing in the Victory over Self-Sabotage PLR, you're not just purchasing content. You're stepping into the lucrative market that allows you to make a significant impact on people's lives while keeping 100% of the profits. Now, this is your chance to become an authority in the self-help space and build a business that you can be proud of. Now, there's some positives and negatives of Victory over self-sabotage. The positives include a comprehensive content, which allows you to educate your audience about overcoming self-sabotage, from ebooks to promotional materials. It's ready-to-use sales funnel. So this package comes with a fully integrated sales funnel, making it easy for you to start selling right away. It has high-quality research completed. The content is well-researched and tailored to meet the needs of a very hot niche, and ensures that you're providing valuable information to your clients. And there's also branding opportunities. You can claim the content as your own and slap your name on it, establishing yourself as an authority in the self-help niche. And finally, you can build your own buyers list. And this PLR package is designed to help you grow your email list effortlessly, allowing you to market to your audience effectively. Now, there's a couple of negatives. One of the negatives, it really relates to the learning curve. For those new in PLR products, there may be a slight learning curve in understanding how to effectively market and utilize the content. However, this is a small price to pay for a wealth of knowledge and resources that you gain. And there may also be market saturation. While the self-help niche is popular, it can also be very competitive. So the right marketing strategies that you will receive with this particular document and unique branding that you will get can allow you to stand out and attract your target market. Now, here's what the sales funnel looks like, and you need to watch for the downsells because there are some downsells. Now, the front end, you're going to get the quality ebook, complete checklist, a comprehensive mind map, high converting sales page, a thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, exclusive lead magnet, professional landing pages, email swipes, stunning graphics pack, license certificates, and 3 fast action bonuses that go beyond my own 3 bonuses. They are the PLR Powerhouse, a sales funnel hack, and an unannounced bonus. And that's for $13.95. Now you got to watch because it goes up to $19.95, and the price increases as the days go by. There's also an OTO1, which is for $47, and that's a pro upgrade. And there you receive high quality videos, high converting sales, upsell pages, and professional video sales letter, professional slides to all the videos, and so on. And you also receive mega bonuses with that upgrade. Another upgrade is OTO2, which is $97, and that's a PLR bundle package. And it's a collection of the 4 best-selling PLR packages in one special offer. And all PLR packages in that bundle come with a full front-end product and pro upgrades. And there's a sales funnel system as well for $77 to $147, and done for you sales funnel system, and that is for anywhere from $77 to $147. And OTO4 is a membership site for $27 a month or $197 an annual fee. And with that membership, you also receive access to the latest PLR products every month. So in conclusion, Victory Self-Sabotage is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to make a mark in the self-help industry. With its comprehensive content, ready-to-use sales funnel, and branding opportunities, you can easily create a successful online business while helping others overcome their self-sabotaging behaviors. So don't wait. Take action now and invest in your future success. And if you want to know more, click that second link below and get the full story. And don't forget my bonuses. Now, the first description below is how to earn $10,000 a month. And my bonuses include bonus number 1, a mindset mastery guide, a reverse engineering success, and the ultimate resources list for a self-help success. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.